So for the Intex easy setup with the filter, there's two intake valves. So the hoses, there's two hoses with the higher side, and then the hose, this is the out where the water goes back into the pool. That side of the filter has the hose on the lower side, and the intake valves, the two hoses are on the higher side. We have the squares, so underneath the pool, so no sticks or stones or anything break the pool, poke a hole in the pool. We also have a little step so the kids can get out into the pool easily without hitting the side, so the water doesn't come out. To attach the hose, all you do is put the coupling over top, and these just go over the hose. You push the hose on and then tighten them, and there's three of them, two for the intake hoses and one for the outtake, or where the water goes back into the pool. Those go on quite easy. When you change the filter, put it up high, so otherwise all the water comes out of the filter. There's too much pressure, so if the filter is high up, to change the filter, all you do is you undo the top, undo this screw. So the filter on the left is after about 2 weeks. You can clean it, or you can put a new one in. Probably easier just to put a new one in. All you do is you put it in top, push it down. The new filter's in. Put the gas, there's a little gasket that goes on. You gotta push that all the way down. Put that on. Put this on, tighten it real good, and then tighten this really good, and then you're good to go. To get the filter to run, you have to plug it into the outlet and then hit reset, and then it'll start to run. If the filter's running properly, the bubbles should be coming out the outlet filter. If the bubbles aren't coming out the filter, sometimes you just need to loosen this, and you'll see the bubbles start going up the hose. Right, just tighten that back up, and you'll see the bubbles going up the hose. But sometimes if you just shake the hose a little bit, that will help get the air flowing also. So you should see lots of bubbles coming, and then you know the water's going in the inlets and then coming back out the outlet valves. And get a net like this to scoop all the leaves out. You just put it in, you drag it along the bottom, and it picks up all the leaves. By scooping out the leaves on a regular basis, it reduces the amount your filter has to do, of work your filter has to do. Try not to overfill the tube, the air tube that's at the top. If you do, it'll blow a little hole in it. You gotta find the hole, and you can use the patch kit that comes with it, but we used Gorilla Tape, and that seemed to work really well.